Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make key lime pie popsicles. So let's get started. First you'll need to juice some limes, so to help them release more juice, press and roll them on the countertop. And cut them in half. And juice them. And pour it through a sieve over a liquid measuring cup. And pour it into a medium bowl. And add in the sweetened condensed milk, yogurt, and lime zest. And mix them together until they're combined. And pour the mixture into a popsicle mold, filling them up about 3/4 of the way. If you don't have a popsicle mold, I have a video on my channel showing how to make popsicles without one, and I'll put a link in the description box. Then place the lid on top and insert a popsicle stick into each one. And place it into the freezer for at least 4 hours until it's frozen solid. Then to make the graham cracker crust, add the graham crackers into a large plastic bag. And press out the excess air and seal the bag. And crush them using a rolling pin. Try and make them as fine as possible. And add them into a medium bowl. And add in the melted butter. And mix them together until they're well combined. And once your popsicles are frozen, remove it from the freezer and take off the lid. And firmly press the graham cracker crust into each one. You need to really press it in so that it holds together. Then return it to the freezer for another hour so the graham cracker crust can harden. And once it's ready, remove it from the freezer. And to get them out of the mold, place it into a bowl filled with hot water and leave it in for a few seconds. And carefully remove each popsicle from the mold. If they're not coming out easily, just put it back into the hot water for a little bit longer. And you can leave them just like this, or you can cover it with more of the graham cracker crust. And that's how to make key lime pie popsicles. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.